Hello everyone, welcome back. I have some more presets to give away here. They'll be in the description below. I made the emojis with AI, so there's no copyright on them. Should be able to go ahead and use them. When you download them, go to titles and go down to SDS titles. And that's where you'll find it in that folder right here. SDS emojis. If you click on it, just open the controls. Each one has 6 options. I may have copied one or two because there are like 36 altogether here. If I did, it would only be one or two. This video is in real time, so the animation is correct, so it might seem slower than normal. I'm not going to show you all these, but I'll show you a few. That will loop. I'll go through a few of them. Just select controls. Get a coordinates, move it where you want. Size. Flip. And the drop shadow. And there's a source where you can select which one you want. Like I said, there's up to 6 of each one. And they work on 9x16 as well. So you can use it for social media. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.